Hello everyone, welcome to Cmallforhappylife channel.
Today I made a relatively simple teardrop-shaped freshwater pearl necklace with a chain length of 46 centimeters.
Material:
Freshwater pearl, thread, needle, rubber washer, French cord and clasp. We also need some tools, an awl, a lighter and wire cutters. Scissors will also work. Arrange the pearls so that the smaller ones are at both ends of the necklace and the larger ones are in the middle. Before you start stringing your necklace, check that the clasp is in good condition. I usually start from the third pearl, then reverse the string to fix the clasp. This method can be very convenient for stringing various beads. When I make necklaces with clasps, I always add rubber washer and French cord to protect the wire and beads. Don't pull it too tight, because we need to tie a knot between the pearls. Then string all the pearls as the order we have arranged. Remember to tie a knot between the pearls. Use an awl to help you tie the knot. After stringing all the beads, be sure to measure the length before finishing to check if it is the length we need. The end is similar to the beginning. You can leave 2 to 3 pearls without tying any knots between them. Before put on the clasp, don't forget to add the rubber washer and French cord. The method is the same as the beginning. Just string it back and tie a knot to finish it. Cut off the thread ends and sinter it with a lighter. A 46-centimeter pearl necklace is ready. It looks good, right? You can also try it.
Thanks for watching. Please subscribe, like, and share to support me in making better videos. Thank you.